Okay, in this video we want to find the gradient and the directional derivative of the function f parentheses x comma y is equal to x squared times y cubed minus 4y at the point 2 comma negative 1 in the direction of vector v is equal to 2 comma 5. These are the types of formulas that we will use in this problem. And for this question, we are given the vector v. We're not given a unit vector. And in order to get the directional derivative, we need to get the unit vector. So that's the first thing we will do. So we know that unit vector u is equal to the vector divided by the norm of v. So we can say, so v right now is equal to the vector 2 comma 5. When we get the norm, we will get 2 squared plus 5 squared, so that would equal the square root of 29. And so we can say that the unit vector u is equal to v divided by the magnitude 29. So that's going to be 2 divided by square root of 29 comma 5 divided by square root of 29. This right here will be an important element when we get our final answer. And so the next thing we want to do is get the gradient. And so we will take the partial derivative in terms of x and y. So let's do that. So we can say gradient f is equal to x and y, the partial derivative in terms of x and y. And so this right here we would get 2x y cubed. When we take the partial derivative, we're treating y cubed as a constant, so it remains the same. And since we're treating y as a constant, this is just a random number, like say 10. So when we take the derivative in terms of x, this would become 0. So this is our fx value, and now we do fy. So we do the same approach. So this time it would be 3x squared y squared minus 4. And in this problem, we're given the point 2 comma negative 1. So we will say f 2 comma negative 1 is equal to, all we're doing now is plugging in 2 for x and negative 1 for y. And when we do that, we would get negative 4 comma 8. And so, yeah, this is the gradient. So make it blue. And now we want to get the directional derivative. So we just apply this formula. And so we can say, I don't know, duf, our point is 2 comma negative 1 is equal to the gradient, so negative 4 comma 8. We do a dot product of u, so this is u is 2 divided by square root of 29 comma 5 divided by square root of 29, and we are simply just applying the dot product. So we would get, I don't know, negative 8 divided by square root of 29 plus 8 times 5 is 40 divided by square root of 29. And so our final answer is 32 divided by square root of 29. And this is the directional derivative. And that's all we need to do.